The battlefield is evolving, and artificial intelligence is at the center of this transformation. From autonomous drones to cyberattacks, AI is revolutionizing warfare. But how deep does this transformation go? AI-powered drones have evolved beyond reconnaissance. These machines now operate autonomously, identifying and engaging targets with precision. They communicate, adapt, and execute strategies in real time, making them more efficient and lethal than ever before. Beyond physical warfare, AI is reshaping the cyber battlefield. It can launch sophisticated cyber attacks, shutting down critical infrastructure, disabling communications, and even stealing classified information without ever being seen. In cyber warfare, the real enemy could be hidden in code. On the ground, AI is making an impact too. From urban environments to remote battlefields, the presence of AI is becoming increasingly prominent. Robots and AI soldiers are being designed to fight on the front lines. These advanced machines are equipped with cutting-edge technology, enabling them to perform complex tasks with precision. Faster reaction times, no fatigue, and fearless execution make them formidable warriors. Their ability to process information and make split-second decisions gives them a significant advantage over human soldiers. But as machines take over these roles, where does the human factor fit in? The integration of AI in military operations raises important questions about the future of warfare and the role of human soldiers in this new era. AI isn't just fighting on the front lines, it's revolutionizing the way we approach warfare. It's becoming the strategist, processing immense amounts of data to predict enemy movements, assess risks, and identify opportunities. AI can create real-time strategies faster than any human could, adapting to changing conditions on the battlefield with unparalleled speed and accuracy. With AI at the helm, the future of command and control is being rewritten. This technological leap is transforming military operations, making them more efficient and effective than ever before. As AI takes on more responsibilities, a moral dilemma arises. How do we navigate the ethical landscape of autonomous warfare? Should machines be trusted with life or death decisions? Can we rely on algorithms to make choices that could mean the difference between life and death? Who should bear the ultimate responsibility for the outcomes of AI-driven warfare? Is it the programmers, the military leaders, or the machines themselves? As we hand over more control to machines, the ethics of warfare become more complex. The line between human and machine decision-making blurs, raising questions about accountability and morality in modern combat. Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the battlefield, but with this power comes great responsibility. Will AI lead us to a safer world or a more dangerous one? Subscribe to Tech Universe for more insights on the future of technology and warfare.